Welcome everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. If you're a new viewer, you should become a subscriber. If you're a subscriber, thanks for checking back. Today we're following up with some more Instapot fun. And we're going to be doing chicken noodle soup. Now, I'm using pre-cooked chicken, so this is going to be much faster than it would be if you had raw chicken. Start with, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to go straight to saute and select saute and select the time. I'm only going to do 8 minutes. Now it does take a little bit to warm up. I'm going to leave it at medium. I'm going to go ahead and hit start. In the pot, I've already added some olive oil. You can see that there, just enough to coat the bottom. And what we're going to do as soon as this warms up is we're going to saute for flavor our onions and garlic and stuff. So as soon as this warms up, we'll start dumping stuff in. You can see that the oil is starting to heat up good, so we're ready to start adding in our vegetables and whatnot. This is one medium yellow onion. Might I add, this one was pretty fresh. But you can do more than one if you so choose. In addition to that, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And I'm just going to spin this around, give it a little saute like that. About 2 minutes. Like I said, I set it for 8. I just want to get these starting to break down a little bit, and then we'll add in our celery. So see you in 2 minutes. Alright, it's been about a couple minutes, so we're going to add in, this is 1 whole head of celery chopped up, rough chop. And then I'm going to take that pre-cooked chicken, this is white meat chicken. Now if you were going to do uncooked, you would want to stop this and go to a pressure cook and cook it to the weight of the chicken. But since this isn't, I'm going to finish this saute with this, and then we'll come back. It's been 8 minutes, and you can see it's starting to soften a little bit, so I'm going to dump this in here. There's a reason for my madness, so just get that out. I want to get all of that into the broth, so that's what I'm doing. So we're going to start our saute again. Come on. And I'm going to take the time up a bit because I'm going to actually bring back the liquids and everything to finish this off. So I'm going to do 20 minutes for saute and hit start. And it's already hot because, well, I was in there. So this is American lager style beer. And you can hear it heating up. Now again, if you were doing raw chicken, there'd be a lot more browning on the bottom. But since this is already cooked, there's not a whole lot that I have to worry about, so I can do this fairly quickly. But what we're trying to do is get that the roast of the chicken flavor into what's going to become our broth. In addition to that, we need some more liquid to this. So this is chicken stock. It happens to be 32 ounces. I'm going all in. All right. Now we're going to wait for that to come to a boil. So we'll come back once it's boiling. Okay, this thing is boiling away, so 1 chicken bouillon cube, 1 tablespoon poultry seasoning. Give it a mix. Okay, since we're getting close to the end, my carrots, this is just about a little over half of a pound chopped up. Feel free to add any other vegetables that you're using now, so if you like mushrooms or whatever. I'm going to let this go for about 2 minutes, then we'll put this back in, and we'll add in the last beer with that. So 2 minutes, like that, just to get the carrots. We've got a nice boil going, you can see that. While we were away, I did shred this up a little bit more. It's because, again, I have little guys, and I don't want them to choke on big chunks. This is going to be pretty full. Not as full as, not max, but it's pretty close. Alright, so there's that. 1 more beer. And I'm going to let this sit on the saute still for 10 minutes. Okay, you can see that I've got a good boil going on this. So the last step to chicken noodle soup is to have some noodles. These are 12 ounces, and these are just American wide egg noodles. I'm going to put the whole thing in. And we're staying on this saute And I'll mix that up. Al dente is 5, firm is 6, and then tender is 7. My family likes their noodle soup a little more tender, so we're gonna go for 7 minutes to get these softened up, and then we'll be ready to serve. So we'll see you in 7. All right, it's been about just shy of 7 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and start scooping some out. I'm gonna let this cook for a little bit just to keep it going, but so I'm gonna go ahead and scoop some up, put it in our bowl. If you like a thicker broth, more like a stock, feel free to add a slurry to this to thicken it up. That's all there is to it. You can garnish it up with a little bit of fresh parsley. Okay. And then maybe serve it with some oyster crackers or something like that if you like, however you like, or just some regular crackers, red saltines. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments below. Let me know what alterations or substitutions you make and how it turned out for you. Otherwise, check back for the next video and take care.